Hello, this is Architect Maran on behalf of Essence Interiors Coimbatore. In this episode, I'll explain you in detail about varied material options available for shutter. As I've already explained to you in the other episode, shutters are the element which comes on the front of the carcass, which is the character giving element in any modular kitchen. So, depends on the overall holistic scheme. You might need to go in for the character and the color of the material. The widely used material is solid wood panels for making the shutters. The solid wood can be either 100% teak or 100% beech or 100% cherry or 100% mahogany solid wood shutters. The second variant is finger jointed rubber wood board or finger jointed beech wood, which is available in 18 mm thickness, which can be cut to sizes and can be polished to need. And a rubber wood with a natural polish would look similar to this, with the natural color of the wood revealing, and which can also be polished to any color option of our choice. But always do remember that the color is only on the surface of the material. So in case of any damage that happens to the shutter, that would definitely reveal the color of the rubber wood which is inside. So the varied color options which is available on rubber wood are sampled here. So you can go for bright contrast colors or can go for darker colors like walnut, teak or something like a new innovative violetish toned colors, or it can even be look-alike teak. So you can see here about what rubber wood which is stained to look like teak and what real teak wood looks like. So at a distance you may not be able to find the difference between the two, but definitely it has its own positives and negatives. The solid teak wood shutters might be really expensive, wherein an alternative of this, so many teak look-alike rubber wood might be little cost effective. The other alternative material which is available in the market is PVC foil wrap shutters, which is nothing but on an MDF panel you have a PVC is being foil which is being wrapped around. So this particular option, what you have here is an example of this. This particular shutter has a glossy finished foil, so you get to have that polished look. At the same time, you can also have a matte colored shutter. So this depends on the shade card what your designer would offer to you. So that can widely change in terms of color and texture. So every individual manufacturer would offer you a shade card which is again having a wide palette of colors. So you can choose your color of the shutters based on the overall interior design what is suggested by your designer. So this constitutes the PVC foil wrap shutter range. The other commonly used shutter is post form shutter. So you don't have very wide range in this, similar to PVC, but you definitely have some ranges in this. So you can this particular material is slightly better than PVC in terms of scratch resistivity. PVC foil wrapped shutters are good to maintain with simple care, but it is not so hard to resist a scratch with a knife or something, intentional or unintentional. So this is a very broadly classified material categorization. You have lots of other material like pre-veneered shutters or papered veneered which is foiled over MDF, and the raw material can be BWR than MDF. Again, it all depends on the cost per square feet. So cost per square feet can vary anywhere between 250 rupees onwards to around 1500 or 2000 rupees per square feet. A shutter can be calculated in terms of square feet in an approximate basis because it's it's a surface element. So the thickness of the shutters have been prefixed, possibly 18 mm or maximum 21 or 22 mm. So it is very easy to calculate per square feet cost. But in general, when you calculate on the shutter, you cannot go by the thumb rule of square feet, because in this particular option you can have a cabinet of 3 feet wide which just has 2 shutters,
In the same place, if you have a set of 3 or 4 drawers, the probable amount of hardware it holds and possibly the workmanship is much more than a shutter. So it is not the square feet that's being taken as a value system here in Modular Kitchen. Thank you for watching.